Hi, Kuma-chan. How are you? Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Namaste.
Namaste. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, good. How are you? How have you been?
Yes, I was good. Everything is good. Tell me about
Everything
you.
good.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Japan and I am Chiko. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Arigato.
Oh, Donovan.
Dhanyavad. Yes. Thank you. So, where do you live in Japan?
Yeah, I live in Nara Prefecture, which is next to Osaka.
Okay.
Yes, Nara is famous for Nara Park. There are so many deers in the park.
Yes, I have watched some videos about that Nara Park. The deer, they roaming around freely. They engage with people who visit that park, right?
Yes, yes. Did you watch the video
Yes.
about Nara Park?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Have you
Good.
visited there?
Yes, yes, of course. I have been there many times.
Wow, very good. How was your experience?
Okay. The deers in Nara Park, they bow to get a snack from people.
Okay, same like those deers are also Japanese, right? Japanese deer?
Yeah. I think so.
Yes,
Not
because
sure.
we know, the whole world know, the culture of Japanese, they welcome or bow like this, like when they meet
Yes,
with
bow.
a guest or friend. So it's a polite way to say hello, I think.
Yes. I bow.
Yes. Those deers also like do, they bow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, deers also do bow.
Are they have any like they are got they learn it, or they just like in their habitat, those deers?
In their habitats?
Yeah, it's like their habit, right? Those deer.
Yeah, it's a habit. Yes, it's a habit.
I think they have seen Japanese people like that's why they have learned.
Yeah, and I wonder how they learn how to bow.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm curious about that.
Yes, same me too. Because I have seen some videos when visitors visit and give some snacks to them, they bow like this.
Yes, yeah.
So it's
And deers follow us. Deer follow us because they want to get snack from people.
yeah. So in normally when you met with new friends or family members, you also bow like this.
Yes. Like konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Like this.
But it's like how many times? Just once it's enough?
Yeah, maybe once. But sometimes like when we say goodbye, like we say sayonara, sayonara. So many times sometimes.
How much time you can see him or her? Sayonara, sayonara.
Yeah, kind of, yes.
It's like bye bye, see you.
Bye bye. Yeah, we can see. We can say bye bye too.
Good. It's nice. Have you
Yes.
ever visited any other countries, Chiko?
Yes, I have been to South Korea and Taiwan, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, and Hawaii, but I never been to India yet.
Okay.
Next to destination, maybe.
Yes. Do you have any plan right now, or maybe later?
Later.
Yeah. Okay. So, how was experience like other countries? You have visited how many countries? Singapore, Malaysia, and South Korea, Hawaii, right? Taiwan,
Australia.
Australia. Or do you have any experience like in Europe or Western country? Not.
No, I never been to Europe country and African country.
So do you have any in your mind if you get chance to visit in Europe or Africa?
I would love to visit United States because I have been learning English.
Okay. Okay, about if you said that about English, I think is it common English in Japan?
Um, I hear that just 10% people speak English, but we have English education from kindergarten
Okay.
and elementary school, junior high school,
Okay.
university, but their speaking is very difficult for us.
Okay.
Mm.
So, like, how did you learn it? If I
How
ask
did
you
I?
about your English journey, so you learn
Mm.
English from kindergarten, from the school?
When I was a student, that we started from junior high school. It's different now.
Okay.
But after I work company and I learn English again, and I studied from vocabulary and basic grammar.
Ah. Do you talk in English with friends?
At the beginning.
Like now? Now?
Now? Yes. Yeah,
Like in
like
Japan,
now.
not with others in Japan.
Okay.
In Japanese?
No, not at all. Not at all. Yeah, I can see some foreigners here, but I don't have chance to talk with them.
Okay.
But and I'm not sure they can speak English or not. Yeah, not at all in my life.